Hi, we are team on iCloud9, a group of 8th grade girls from Blake Middle School.
We all decided to join Technovation this year because we found the language of code interesting and wanted to have the experience of creating a small business.
At the beginning of the year, our mentor asked us what problems we face every day. Are there any health, school, or family issues? After brainstorming, our team decided that we would love to create an app that helps diabetics manage their blood sugars.
I had tried to use many apps in the App Store, including the Type 1 Diabetes Constant Glucose Monitor by Dexcom. I noticed that using the Dexcom app required a second needle to be inserted. Also, other apps were very focused on Type 2 diabetes and often had a diet or exercise function, which is unnecessary for Type 1 diabetics. We wanted to create an app that eliminated the unnecessary or complicated functions and created a simple way to manage your blood sugars.
We also wanted to use graphs and tables to display the blood sugars in a simple, easy visual.
While doing our market research, we discovered that there are over 1.25 million children and adults with Type 1 diabetes in the United States, myself included.
Type 1 diabetes is a condition when people have an unsteady amount of sugar in their blood. It can be found in a variety of ages, but some develop it at a young age. A drug called insulin is used to lower blood sugars, and juice or sugar is used to make blood sugars higher. At times, it can be very hard to manage.
Our app combines the advice of professional diabetic specialists, diabetics themselves, and parents of diabetics, and nurses into one helpful app.
One feature that we have included are tables. This is where you record your daily blood sugars. Another feature is the graphs. The graphs show how high and low your blood sugars have been for the last 3 days.
Basically, our app uses a series of tables and graphs to put blood sugars into an organized visual. Unlike other apps on the App Store, the Type 1 Diabetes app is very simple to use. The user will be able to see when their blood sugars are high or low throughout the days without stressing.
We even added some of our own special features, for instance, the share function. The share function allows the users, doctors, parents, and more to have access to the diabetic's blood sugars. If they choose, they will get the same notifications as the user. They can even log onto the app and have access to the same tables, graphs, etc. as the user.
Our app is also unique because during the next 3 days, the diabetic will receive helpful tips for adjustments they can make on their blood sugars. This allows the diabetic to reduce the number of low and high blood sugars they have throughout the day and night. Overall, they feel better.
As a result of our app, diabetics will feel more confident with their blood sugars and know they are safe using the app. Thanks to our tables and graphs, they can have an organized visual of their blood sugars. Parents, too, will feel happier and well updated throughout the day.
Overall, the Type 1 Diabetes app can help 1.25 million Type 1 diabetics and the people in their lives.
So let's spread this wonderful movement across America!